What do you hope adolescents will get from these experiences and these spiritual practices that you name?
Well, I think we hope most of all that they will come into community even more deeply through these experiences, that reading together, talking together, thinking together, imagining together, creating together, that will be both spiritually uplifting for them and help them, further deepen their own interior lives, and also bring them into deeper community with one another, and within all the communities that they're a part of. One of my favorite writers, Virginia Woolf, talks in one of her novels, To the Lighthouse. She tells the story of a painter who is kind of wrestling with questions of meaning throughout the novel, and at the end she thinks, I never got the great revelation. I never got the big revelation that explained it all to me. But then she thinks, but there are these illuminations along the way. There are these matches struck unexpectedly in the dark. And I think helping young people use what they already love to deepen their attention to themselves, to their world, to each other, to God. These are matches struck in the dark that light the way forward. They're not the whole explanation of everything. They're not the answer to the meaning of life. They're practices that can help strike a match in the dark along the way.